this video is just for stamp sets on their own. Okay, so I'm going to go through them all, and they're sort of arranged by theme. So we have some Christmas ones here, and I'm hoping that you're going to be able to read the names. I'm not going to talk about all the names, but if you would like any of these ones, just put them into your comment. And they are great ones for all occasions. This kangaroo one, I do not have the dies for that one, in case you're wondering. I do have a bundle with this one as well. So this one is just the stamp set. Then we'll go into more flowered ones here, and that one coordinates with the, I've lost the name of it. Boy, I'm forgetting things, but there is a punch and it's current in the catalog. Look, I do have it. The Tailored Tag Punch. This is the Painted Seasons, and it goes with, I have one full package of the paper, and I don't know if it's still available, but that is available. That's new. This is Sheltering Tree. Some of these, there's a punch that goes along with Thoughtful Blooms that is not available in the current catalog. It retired last year. Lovely Lily Pad, this is new as well. That's photopolymer. That was in a celebration. This one here was a host set, and I really enjoyed using that one, especially the With Sympathy on that one. And the beautiful Peacock, and that was a celebration from a couple years ago too. You got a view of my slippers there. Daisy Delight, so this coordinates with this was the first Daisy one that came out, coordinates with the large Daisy Punch. Healing Hugs, which was one of our very first distinctive, it wasn't the first, I don't think, but it was definitely one of the first, and a lot of use out of that one. Country Home, this one was a favorite with that cream can, but I can't see the price there, but that's that one. Ornate Style, so that goes with the designer paper that I have available. Then Waterfront, very popular for creating images. Quite Curvy, just the stamp set, not the dies. This is a popular one from years ago. I do not have the dies available. It is Coffee Cafe. High Tide. Enjoy Life. And Little Twinkle. I do not have the punch available for that. These ones, these four here, are double sets. So these ones are all different words. So special celebrations. And you can always Google and see the entire, but I probably shouldn't have plastic around these. Hold on just a minute and I will pull these apart. Here's two special celebrations. And there's the other half of Special Celebrations. I loved that. Hope your day brings just what it should. Then this is Better Together. Lots of, really all occasion things. So Christmas and congratulations, sympathy. And then this one has a little, images that go along with it. Another Wonderful Year. And I'm sorry, I have to put this down again. Another Wonderful Year. And there's the other half of that. So again, Christmas, thinking of you. Thank you. There's something for everything. These are great deals. And the Itty Bitty Greetings. So this one actually is a set of two. There's the first one. And there's all kinds of ways you can use this one, but they fit perfectly on the classic label punch. And bigger, of course, but that's a great way to use them. There's the other half of them there. Okay, then we have Ridiculously Awesome. Kindness and Compassion, great for sympathy and thank yous. Many Mates, again, an all occasion type one to wish you well. Itty Bitty Birthdays, so a little bit bigger writing than perhaps the Itty Bitty Greetings, but works really well for all kinds of birthdays. I use that one lots. Happy Thoughts, which came out last year. That's a nice one too for all kinds of sayings. So Sentimental. This coordinates really well with the Stitch So Sweetly dies that are still available. Delightful Day, and that one goes with a delightful tag punch that is still currently available. Woven Heirlooms, beautiful, and it goes with that paper really nice. So great for thinking of you and sympathy. I have a brand new one there, and I also have a used one. Strong and Beautiful, especially for friends and moms and your gal pals. Thank you. And I use this one. I loved the You Are the Best there down in the bottom right corner. Sending You Thoughts, which was a great one from Celebration, and that one I think is new. Let me just see. No, it's not new. Then I found this one here, Perfect Blend from quite a long time ago, but just 3 little stamps in there. And this is one of our half sizes. So there's the size of the coffee cup. This one, and so these are wood ones here, these 4. And then there is Scenic Sayings and the hardwood. This is a big full one, and marbled, which is a great one. I've done some wonderful things with that. I kept my cling one and I'm selling the wood one. So again, if you want any of these ones, respond to the comment that I'll post at 3 o'clock on our page, on Facebook page, or come down and visit at 39509 Range Road 27-0, Lacombe County.